Ni hao. We are at Holy Land Hotel in Shangri-La Town, which the altitude is around 2,000 meters, much more doable, shall we say, than staying in Daocheng or anywhere else. But nonetheless, I can still feel everything. We're heading today to Yaoling. It is a scenic highlight of this Tibetan autonomous region, but it is very high. It's well over 4,000 meters. We're supposed to do some walking, shall we say a lot of walking, and in hindsight, it's 2020. I'm going to tell you right now that I personally, I cannot blame the tour operator, did not do any thinking about what all this involves. Now I understand, to get to the highlights, it's something like a 10-kilometer round trip, which ordinarily is a piece of cake for Steve and myself. But not when you're at over 4,000 meters or 12,000 plus feet with no time to acclimatize. We arrived yesterday, and believe me, as veterans of high altitude treks, including a visit to north face of Everest, where we slept overnight at around 16,000 feet and went to north face base camp, which I believe is around 18,000 feet. The two of us never slept that night. We were worried that one of us was going to drop dead. You don't just come to a high altitude area and expect to go out and walk miles and miles and miles. You're cruising for a bruising, or even death. I'm not being an alarmist. Look up high altitude sickness for yourself. It doesn't make any difference how fit you are, how old you are, or how young you are. You have to be very careful. So I'm not quite sure what the two of us are going to accomplish in our 2 days here at Yaoling. But nonetheless, I love all Tibetan autonomous regions, the yaks, the people, the houses. Great. So come with us today. Just in case we don't see them, here is a picture in the lobby of the three holy mountains.
It's also the leader of three of them.
And how high is that one?
6,039.
Amazing.